The weather is turning as fall is quickly approaching and the snow will fly soon. There's something bittersweet about fall and the end of the warm summer days and the turning of the leaves with the crisp, cold air. The days are colder and getting darker earlier each day. We have the time change this weekend, making the darkness jump a whole hour sooner into the afternoon. But we had such a beautiful season, a true Indian summer, long lazy days staying warm deep into the fall. That allowed us to sneak in so many more adventures with Sara before the cold caught up to us. We had such a whirlwind of a summer and early fall. I think that we are ready for the wind down that the winter naturally brings with it. There is something comforting about curling up for baby snuggles in a warm inside by a fireplace when it's dark and cold outside. There's no longer the pressure to get outside and get stuff done before the weather changes, and there's a lot of peace that comes from that. Fall is a time of change, and as things are changing all around us, things have been changing for us too. This week, Sara had some changing backwards, eating multiple times at night again, 2, 3, or 4 times, and fighting sleep with all her might. It's been exhausting for us, but that feeling when she does pass out is so great. She has little smiles that sneak onto her face while she dreams. See that and you just can't help but smile too. She is rolling around and working hard on her lung expansion. She's pretty good at that. This weekend we had a day trip to Arrowrock Reservoir, and we had a fire. It was pretty cold, but it ended up being so much fun, and getting outdoors and away from town really just fills my soul and it feels so good.